It's time for the results of our makeover madness. Now let's take a look at Katie before and now. Here's Katie before. Let's bring her on out and see
Katie.
the after.
Wow. Sausage.
All right.
You look
Yes.
awesome. Look at
Wow.
you. Oh my gosh, who is that?
Katie,
Oh,
what do you
look
think?
So glamorous.
It looks great. I haven't been blonde for a really long time.
Oh, you are sparkly. I
Look you.
love
Wonderful.
that color.
Thank you.
Yes, well, let's bring on out the lady who made this happen, Vicki from Cutting Loose.
Oh, you did great, Vicki. She does our hair.
Yeah,
every
yeah,
day.
yeah.
Yes.
Her looks
So, Vicki,
awesome.
walk us through what you did with Katie's hair.
So we did a razor cut bob, which is a really nice grow out for her. She's a newer mom. Our child's 2 years old.
Oh, wow.
So I didn't want anything that was going to have a lot of maintenance. So we did a nice razor bob, and we did some soft balayage lights, so they'll grow out really nice for her.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh,
and
those
softened it with the
highlights are
glaze.
beautiful.
Thank you.
It definitely frames your face. You look beautiful.
Thank you so
Yes.
much.
Oh,
And
you just
Katie,
look
I know you're so
glamorous.
busy. Is this something you feel you can do on your own?
Oh yeah, that's what I had really asked for, was something that was easier than putting a ponytail, because I kept my hair in a ponytail all the time. So I was like, I'd like to look like a person again, and I
Well,
do.
you look like an amazing person.
You look like a million bucks.
Thank you. I
Fantastic.
feel like $1,000,000.
Big thanks to Vicki and the team at Cutting Loose. If you know anybody who would like a makeover or who deserves a makeover, maybe it's you. Just reach out to us. You can contact us on Facebook or the other social media, or email us at suncoastview@mysuncoast.com.